Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's update our view on the cryptocurrencies, particularly on Bitcoin. And you can see that market setting the new tops on the long-term chart. It's the monthly chart, and you can see market has taken out the previous top. It means for longer term analysis that we will not get the butterfly pattern here. If you remember, last week as market was standing below this area, it was able to see kind of the butterfly if some moderate retracement would start, and in this case it might be right wing of the butterfly, and the market could keep going to the target. Now this chance has been erased. It's just because market has moving above the top, which should be the major swing of the butterfly, and butterfly is impossible when this market just moving out of this initial major swing. So you know about this from the Gartley's patterns. So it means that with this strong acceleration, market should keep going to the 85 target, which is the OP here. In the nearest time, we also need to control the price performance around the top right there. Market should not show too deep drops and big retracements. It's just because it might be kind of the wash and rinse of the previous top, grabbing stops and some sharp reversal. In the current fundamental background, probably chances for that are not really significant. Market is right now is dreaming about the halving that is coming in April, and adoption and improvement of the Ethereum ETFs that should happen later, supposedly somewhere in late May, as it suggested by the S&P agency. So on the background of this news and strong demand and redistribution of the capital in the ETFs, Bitcoin currently has good background. The only additional risk that we see is coming from becoming actually the byproduct of the domestic political struggle in the United States. We briefly have talked about this in our gold report yesterday. And we suspect that the Democrats that are losing actually power right now, it seems some big political decision has been made that the power is coming to the Donald Trump, or at least Republicans, who somebody will, if somebody will be instead of the Donald Trump. And on the background of this moment, the Democrats actually could do anything in the economy right now and stop caring about stability of the economy and so on. So it might even trying to raise the rate. They could publish the real statistics on inflation and employment that we suggest currently are strongly manipulated. We do not know what particular might be, but this is definitely right now some risk factor exists. And how this will impact on the Bitcoin? Definitely rising on the rate hardly will be the positive sign. That's the major source of the uncertainty right now on the Bitcoin market. But for now, if we take a look at the technical picture, everything looks really great. So market stands above the top. We do not see a really sharp reversal right now. So the picture definitely looks bullish. On the weekly chart, we have mostly the same picture as in last week. The only difference that market has moved slightly higher. And market still stands at the same overbought area, which is halted from the straightforward upward acceleration. But once again, we don't have any patterns on the weekly. As in previous week, the thrusting action still stands as our major potential for any patterns that may be formed. So for example, Judd Napoli patterns for Brent bottom pullback, for instance, might be a great opportunity for trading on the weekly chart. But for now, as you can see, we have nothing. So some things we could discuss only on the daily and intraday charts. So on the daily chart, we have minor grabber here is forming. So I'll show you semicity. Once it will be completed, and if it will be completed today, it means that on the next session, minimum target of the performance will be the top of today current session. So I'm already speaking about the tomorrow action. Just keep an eye on the market has to close above the red line, about the MACD predictor. In this case, it will keep chance for the further upward action. So the top that will be formed in today's session might be retested tomorrow as well. On a daily chart, market is not at overbought, but it actually doesn't matter because this is not as important as the weekly overbought where market stands right now. On the daily chart, I would say that it's more interesting the oversold level, which is standing around 65.30, and probably in a case of the retracement, oversold level together with the first support 62.70 might become the major area the market could reach if some retracement starts. So that's the level that we need to keep an eye on. 62.70. It's a bit wide. It's just because the oversold stands high, 65.20, so 3,000 difference. But let's just on average consider it somewhere around 64.50. So somewhere in this level. That's what we have on the daily chart. Trend remains bullish here. On the lower time frame, why the theoretical retracement could happen. If you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, you could see that price performance is becoming more choppy. Market is becoming wobbling, and actually you do not see here the same pace that we saw in this action. So already has been strong collapse here. Now is market trying to reestablish this upward action and start forming the wedge pattern. This potentially might be bearish, and market could start the reaction down here. So once again, you can see that the 63.40, 62.80 is the confidence support, which perfectly agrees with the area that we have specified on the daily chart. So if pullback starts, I think that is the primary area to watch for. It's possible downside retracement. Today, on the hourly chart, we have few targets. First of all, recall our ABCD pattern that we discussed last time. So the situation was unclear, and we just discussed both scenarios, on the upside and to the downside, letting you to choose if you would like to trade, particularly the direction that you would like to. So you can see markets moving higher, and the nearest upside target right now stands 71.28. It's XOP, this ABCD pattern. Also take a look here. You could suggest, well, I just decided not to draw it here, but you probably could recognize it by yourself. It's some kind of the wide butterfly pattern. I use here just an extension, the target of this butterfly. It's 127 extension of the XA swing, which is 1072, almost 72 even. So it means that 71.30, 72 even, it's nearest upside destination point. Since you can see some background exists for possible retracement, if you have the long positions, keep an eye on these areas potential destination points where potential retracement could start. We just need to see what will happen here. If retracement starts, we'll start watching for the level that we have specified right there. It's around 63, 63.40. So that's in towards what we have currently on the Bitcoin market.